Raspberries while he's walking. Come on, Blake. You almost there. Oh,
Blake! Hey, Putface! Blake! Hey, Blake! Turn around! Come here! Look this way. Come this way, Shane.
Blake.
Look at that face.
You hear him doing raspberries?
Yeah.
Go that way, go that way, go that way.
Blake! He's a big boy.
He's trying to bounce while he's walking. He walked from all the way over there, he hadn't fell yet.
I know, I have it on camera. Big boy. I can't believe you're only 10 months old. Oh! Come on! Uh-oh! If you walk faster, that doesn't make you stay up.
He's gonna be tired tonight.
Yeah, he is.
He's grabbing the book
Putface!
Puppies for Dummies. Dude, I swear.
Putface, come here! Come here, buddy! Sweetie, come here. Come on. Come on. Blake! Come this way! Come this way! There he goes! There he goes! I can't look at this.
He's only 10 months, man.